back with another video for the MarQ microwave. Today I'm going to be making a 5-minute popcorn. This is a utensil that I have brought from a supermarket. It is used for homemade popcorn. This is its lid where you're supposed to fill the popcorn in and remember not to overfill it. So we put our popcorn inside. And now we close the lid. Now we put it inside the microwave and put it for 5 minutes. Now let's wait for the popcorn. Now the popcorn is done. Here you can see hot popcorn made. You can watch this popcorn with a movie. You can add anything extra like salt to enjoy it with anything which you would like. Thank you everyone for watching this video and remember to like and subscribe.